Imagine a world where the walls of your cubicle simply vanish. Where the heavy static of the 9 to 5 is replaced by the electric pulse of your own passion. Your mind has been conditioned to trade your hours for survival. But what if you could trade the unique fingerprint of your talent for true, lasting freedom? Imagine a global stage, a vast, invisible city, waiting specifically for your voice. You aren't just here to learn a set of steps. You are here to witness the demolition of your own perceived limits. The way you see your value, your skill, and your future is about to undergo a massive, silent reconstruction. We are peeling back the curtain on a new reality. A reality where work is no longer a cage, but a manifestation of your deepest ability. Your mind is a landscape of untapped potential. Today, we begin the high-stakes process of remapping that landscape. By the time we finish this journey, the old, cramped definitions of income and career will no longer fit inside your head. This is the exact moment where your curiosity meets a definitive strategy. It's where your dreams stop being whispers and start becoming your daily, waking reality. Your identity is being rewritten as we speak. Prepare yourself. I'm Ishanka, and thank you for being part of CortexLab. We don't just fill your thoughts, we rewire your thinking.
Welcome back. Today we're looking at something that is truly revolutionary. It's not just an upgrade, it's a completely new way of thinking about tech. Let's find out why everyone is talking about it. Stay tuned.